Are you preparing for the Goethe A1 exam? Then don't miss this A1 speaking or spatial questions because mostly students they struggle with this type of questions. But in this video, I will show you some simple German answers for your A1 speaking questions and that can be used in your A1 exam. So let's start with the video. So we'll see most common questions you can say in your A1 speaking, right? So which can be used now in 2026. Now part one will be sich vorstellen, meaning introduce yourself. Now prüfer, examiner will ask you, bitte stellen Sie sich vor. Now how to introduce yourself in German. Guten Tag, you will start with the greeting. Ich heiße Kabir. Ich bin 25 Jahre alt. I am Kabir, I am 25 years old. Ich komme aus Indien. I come from India. Ich wohne in Mumbai. I stay in or I live in Mumbai. Ich spreche Hindi, English und ein bisschen Deutsch. Okay, so you got this Hindi, English, and ein bisschen is a little bit German also. That person is telling. Ich bin Lehrer. I'm a teacher. Meine Hobbys sind Lesen. Lesen is reading. Musik hören, listening to music, and reisen, traveling. Vielen Dank. Okay, this will be your template or format for your introduction. Now, Fragen stellen und beantworten, meaning ask and answer questions. Okay, so this will be a partner based activity. As all of you know, in your A1 speaking, firstly, you have to introduce yourself and then it will be a partner based activity. Your partner will ask you some questions on particular topic given to that person and then you can also ask your partner questions, right? This is the format of A1. Now Frage is question. Suppose your partner will ask you, now here the theme is bright side, meaning your free time. Now question will be, was machen Sie am Wochenende? Okay, what do you do on weekends? Antwort, answer will be am Wochenende treffe ich meine Freunde. I meet my friends. Ich gehe spazieren und sehe Filme. Okay, I go for walking and see films. Manchmal lese ich auch ein Buch. Sometimes I also read a book. Now, Frage, again, question will be there. Haben Sie ein Hobby? Do you have a hobby? So, Antwort or answer will be, yeah, my hobby is lesen. Yes, my hobby is reading. Ich lese gern deutsche Bücher. I read lot of German books. Now, I get a Frage and then partner. I get a meaning your own questions. Question you can say to your partner, was machen Sie in Ihrer Freizeit? Okay. Now this will be vice versa. You will also ask your partner the same question. Okay. Actually, the question depends. Whichever topic you get, whichever theme you get, on that particular theme, you will have to ask the questions, right? Okay. Now the next theme will be familiar. So we are just seeing sample questions and answers on typical topic or theme. Now question will be, haben Sie Geschwister? Geschwister meaning siblings, because now the theme is family. Familia is family. So do you have siblings? Geschwister meaning siblings. So Antwort or answer will be, ja, ich habe einen Bruder. Okay, I have a brother. So you can add whatever information about your family, you can add it here. Er ist student. He is student. Eigene Frage. Now your own question will be, wie viele Personen gibt es in Ihrer Familie? How many persons are there in your family? You can ask your partner this question. because eigene Frage meaning your own question. Now the next thema or the topic will be Arbeit. Arbeit meaning work. Now Frage question will be, was in Sie von Beruf? Okay. So what are you from a profession? Right. So what is your profession basically? So in my case, my answer will be Ich bin Lehrerin. I'm a teacher. Ich arbeite online. I work online. Now your own question. Eigene Frage meaning wo arbeiten Sie? Okay, where do you work? Okay, understand? So this about certain topic, particular topic, you have to ask questions to your partner and vice versa. If that your partner will ask you question, then you will have to answer it. Now, part three, coming to part three, bieten und reagieren. This means ask and respond. Now, suppose situation one, there are two candidates, candidate A und candidate B. Können Sie mir bitte helfen? Can you please help me? So we will say, yeah, naturally, meaning, yeah, naturally. Now again, situation two, candidate A will ask, darf ich Ihr Handy benutzen? Can I use your mobile? Handy is mobile. Then candidate B will say, yeah, again. Yes, sure. Okay, these are the different situations. This is called as ask and respond. Here you are making some request. Okay, can you help me? Or can I use your phone? These are kind of requests. You can say making request. Now, coming to next part, here situation here candidate A will ask, können Sie das Fenster öffnen? Can you please open the window? Candidate B will say, yeah, sofort. Yes, immediately. Sofort is immediately. Now some useful A1 sentences we'll see. So you can use these sentences in your A1 speaking. Ich verstehe nicht, meaning I don't understand. Können Sie das bitte wiederholen? Can you please repeat it again? Because wiederholen is repeat. Können Sie bitte langsamer sprechen? Can you please speak slowly? Right? Then, ja, can. Yes, sure. Or nein, leider nicht. No, unfortunately not. In some other context, vielen Dank. Thank you very much and bitte schön. Okay, you are welcome. So these are the useful A1 sentences. And these were the situations given to you, themes, different themes given to you. And that way you have to ask your partner questions and you have to answer to your partner's questions. Okay, vice versa. Because it is a partner-based activity. And introduce yourself. That topic is also very, very important. So just refer this and take the reference of these formats and you can add your own sentences too. So I'm sure after this, you will be able to get or you will be score higher in your A1 speaking. So that's all for today, friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel because I'm coming up with all these exam related videos. So stay tuned, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.